Let's go ahead and go inside and check this out. I cannot wait for you to see this home. I love the double doors when you first walk in. That is just a coat closet, but instead of one door, it is two. But look at the space in the hallway. I really expected it to be a lot more narrow. This home is part of their cottage series. It's just under 1,600 square foot. But look at this adorable office. I just love it. The way it is laid out. There just seems to be so much space. Kitchen, gourmet kitchen, great dining area, kitchenette attached, and then you've got your family room area. The bar, you can put at least 3 seats. Beautiful, beautiful workspace here. I love it. You got the laundry room that's off the side of the garage, and this would be the guest bathroom. It has just the one sink, the tub. Flooring is the ceramic tile. This is bedroom number 2. Probably fit a full-size bed in here. That's what they have. It is great space, and I do love the wallpaper. Wallpaper is making a comeback, guys. All right, let's go down the hall and just check out this primary bedroom. Here we are. King-size bed, tray ceilings. All right, primary bathroom. Look at that. Great shower, ceramic tile, a linen closet, double sinks, water closet, and the closet. Very good use of space in this home. I absolutely love it. I did expect it to feel a lot smaller, but it is very spacious. It is just the right size for downsizing. So if you are wanting to downsize, please give me a call. I would love to help you make this your new home. Now, again, this is the Carlyle. It is part of the Cottage Collection here at Summers Corner in the 55 plus community called the Horizons. And I'm Nancy Walsh. And if you are thinking about buying in the Charleston area, Somerville area, give me a call. I can help you, not just with the 55 plus. I help a lot of young families and single adults as well buy homes. So I am here for you, and I would love to help you find your new home here in Charleston, South Carolina. Please give me a call. My cell phone number is 843-718-4285. Feel free to call or text me anytime. Have a great day. Bye.